Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and this is Flea Market Finds for July 7th, 2024. All right, so I went to the flea market yesterday over the hill where I got some great deals a month or so ago, and they had nothing. So I stopped at an antique store on the way home, and I got two of these three items there. I got this little tiny perfect handle screwdriver, about 4 inches long, and I got this gouge at a little antique store in the middle of nowhere. Paid $30 for the pair, which is kind of a lot, but I wanted one of these gouges, and they're a little hard to find locally. So I picked it up. It does not have any maker's marks on it that I can find, but it seems like a good gouge. Let's try it out, make something gougey. And I noticed on YouTube a lot of people fixing these up, so I grabbed one. I think they're kind of neat. I'd like to find one a little more practical size. Then today, at my regular flea market, I found another hewing hatchet. Okay, and this one is a Ward's Master. And I believe that's what it says. Is that right? Go the right way? It appears to be almost the same as the one I found. That's the one I got last time. And so here's this one, very similar. A little bit shorter in its total length, you can see that. But, if I get the handles fixed up or get put new handles on it, I can have a lefty and a righty. They're not exactly the same, but boy, they sure are similar. This is a True Temper and a Ward's Master. So, there you go. Anyway, I paid $4 for that. I thought it was a pretty good deal. It's actually pretty solid, though the handle's got some cracks in it. It's got a screw in it, a little home repair. Anyway, that's all I got for today. We'll catch you later.